Last year's Matebook X Pro was one of my favorite products of 2018, so naturally a successor is something to look forward to. Thing is, Huawei's Matebook business has proven to be quite successful with 100 million units sold and 14% growth over last year, so the company's approach for 2019 is to be even more aggressive. Reporting from New York City and Barcelona, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow with Jules Wong editing. Let's go hands-on. The company actually showed us two products, and I'm going to leave the best for last. The Matebook 14 is a larger option to the Matebook 13 that we saw at CES, with a couple of port enhancements to make the added heft worth it. It has an elegant metal body with a refined sandblasting process and diamond-cut chamfers on the borders. We have a 14-inch display at 2160 by 1440 at 300 nits of brightness and a 3:2 aspect ratio for enhanced multitasking. Some models include a touchscreen, and it allows for multi-touch experiences like using 3 fingers to swipe and achieve a screenshot, for example. The company also touts an eye comfort mode made possible by a chip algorithm included. There are different models, but the one I got to see is an 8th generation Core i7, options for an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics card, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and Huawei SharkFin 2.0 fans to make up for 18% improved cooling efficiency. There's a 57.4 watt-hour battery with up to 15 hours of video playback, and Huawei 65 watt adapter for a quick top-up of up to 3 hours of usage in just 15 minutes. Its main selling points are really the added I/O. We have USB-C, USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.0, an audio jack, and even a standard HDMI connector. We have Bluetooth 5 and also improved Wi-Fi. Huawei's highly acclaimed keyboard is here, which is sadly also including the nose cam for those of you wanting added privacy. And we have the 2-in-1 power button for user authentication that also includes an independent security chip built in. Dual speakers are also included with Dolby Atmos support, and color options range from space gray, mystic silver, and pink gold. Sadly, in Huawei fashion, price points and availability are still not confirmed. The company spent a good deal of time showing us their new one-hop technology, which uses NFC to connect with other Huawei phones and quickly share photos, videos, office documents, etc. It looked really good on the demo, but obviously we'll have to test it out. This works both on the Matebook 14 and also the product that I was looking forward to most. Meet the new Huawei Matebook X Pro 2019. From the outside, it looks nearly identical to last year's model, with only a difference in the Huawei text at the back instead of the logo. It's still the same metal unibody with CNC machining and sandblasting. We have the same LTPS touchscreen at 3000 by 2000 resolution at 3:2 aspect ratio and a 91% screen-to-body ratio. And it also includes the 3-finger swipe feature for screenshots. We also have the return of the quad speakers co-engineered with Dolby Atmos, and quad microphones for far-field communication that support both Cortana and Microsoft Translator up to 4 meters away. What changes are the upgraded internals with up to a 10% more powerful 8th generation Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of a solid-state drive, a 57.4 watt-hour battery that gives you up to 13 hours of video playback, and the same fast 65 watt charger in the box. We also have faster Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, and NFC for Huawei's one-hop. Thunderbolt 3 now supports full speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, and it supports connecting a 4K display and includes NVIDIA's GeForce MX 250 for discrete graphics. Huawei also claims that its SharkFin 2.0 is 20% more efficient and now has active and passive mode. Sadly, the nose cam is back, but we do have the power/fingerprint scanner also making a return, and the keyboard, which we praise, is also splash-proof, with improvements to the clickpad and things that I've actually complained about in the previous review. Color options are space gray, mystic silver, but sadly, price points and SKU limitations are still not provided. So yeah, this is the new Matebook X Pro and Matebook 14. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.